Why does the color red make you stop, but the color blue makes you trust? Science tells us that your brain processes an image in just 13 milliseconds. That is faster than you can blink, faster than you can read a single word. Look at your phone. Look at your apps. Facebook, LinkedIn, Zoom, your banking app. Notice a pattern? They are all blue. We think these companies chose blue because it looks nice, but they didn't. They chose it because they know something about your psychology that you don't. In a world of chaos, noise, and red alert notifications, your brain is starving for a signal of safety. Today on Calming Psychology, we are going to explore why blue is the color of the mind. We'll look at why it lowers your blood pressure, why it builds trust, and why your brain craves it. To understand blue, we first have to understand what it isn't. Red is the color of urgency. It creates tension. It screams, "Look at me." Blue is different. Psychologically, blue acts like a firm handshake. It signals trust, stability, and professionalism. Think about it. Warning signs are red. But hospitals, tech support, they lean toward blue. Why? But here is the evolutionary conflict. In nature, blue is actually very weird. Blue food is rare. Blueberries are actually purple. Therefore, our ancestors didn't associate blue with food. They associated it with the environment, the sky, the water. Blue became the color of constancy. The sky is always there. The ocean is always there. Unlike a red fire that burns out, blue stays. I don't want to just report the facts to you. I want us to relive the feeling of blue together. Close your eyes. Imagine you are sitting on a dock. The water stretches out in front of you. It isn't a bright neon blue. It's a deep, heavy navy. Studies show that when we look at this specific wavelength of light, our autonomic nervous system shifts. Your pulse physically slows down. Your body temperature drops slightly. You hear the water lapping against the wood. It's rhythmic, predictable, safe. Yellow demands your alertness. It's the sun. It says, "Wake up." But blue gives you permission to rest. This is why we crave the ocean. We aren't just looking for water. We are looking for a visual break from the red urgency of modern life. This calming effect is exactly why blue is the dominant color in education and tech. I have a friend who tried to launch a tech company using orange branding. He said, "I want to be energetic." My unfiltered thought was, "You look fun, but you don't look safe." Orange is the extroverted friend. Blue is the financial advisor. If your content is logical, skill-focused, or educational, blue makes sense. It tells the viewer, "I am not here to hype you up. I am here to help you grow." And this is mostly universal. In the West, blue is trust. In the East, it can mean immortality. It is one of the few colors that is generally safe across cultures. So how do we use this? You don't need to paint your whole house blue. That can feel cold. We need to use complementary colors. The opposite of blue is orange. The magic happens when you mix them. Use blue for the foundation, the walls, the bedding, the desktop background. This creates the trust and calm. Then add a touch of orange or warm wood for enthusiasm and warmth. This balance is what the brain truly craves, stability with a spark of life. The world is always going to be loud. It's always going to throw red alerts and yellow notifications at you. But now you know the secret. When the noise gets too loud, look for the blue. It's not just a color, it's a deep breath for your eyes. I'm Loki. Keep it calm.